Let's get this chainsaw fired up, and I want you YouTubers to watch this closely, because I know if I can do it, you can do it. Let me give you a close-up of it now. And we'll take a look. And there he is. Hey, if you can do it with a Dremel, you can do it with a chainsaw. Now we're doing some burning. Hey, instead of wire brush, I'm going to show you this little trick that I found. Buy these little sanding balls. Looks like it's got some sort of a heavy Scotch-Brite, but they go in the end of your drill gun. I bought them at Harbor Freight. You just hold that, leave that prong for your, go between your fingers like that. And that little ball right there, and that does a fine job on rubbing the scale off of your work when you get it done. And there he is. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I'm going to show you a wider view now. There he is from that angle. There we go, that's a distant piece. How you like my buddy here? Hey, I'll see you in the next video. How about that?